Recording.
Oh, look at this traffic jam. Oh my gosh. Not exactly. No. Oh, we're in Silverthorne. Silverthorne. Let's try saying that really fast. Silverthorne. 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 Silver. Oh gosh, I'm getting delirious. I think I need water. Oh my gosh. Traffic sucks. I guess these lights aren't working up here. They're flashing. So people just have to treat it like a stop sign. A four-way stop sign at that. So, not really pleasant to have to go through this. It's part of the journey. Pretty mountains, snowy mountain caps, cap mountains. Jiminy crickets. Oh, well, finally, the light just started working.
Hey,
Yeah,
do you think we ought to stop and put on the rain stuff?
yeah, probably should, or at least look at the weather map and maybe get some gas or something.
Alright, I'll find a gas station. You look for the weather map and we'll top
Okay,
it off.
alright. Oh, I'm aching. I need to stretch my legs anyway. Ooh, lightning! Just see that lightning? Over there, yeah, there's lightning.
Oh shit, here it is.
Oh, Bill. We almost missed it. They have come and go here. Well. Oi, oi. Okay. Uh, well, it started raining on us again.
Yeah, that's kind of the mountains